Welcome everyone to another selection of Road Rage Idiots. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching.
Very angry lady with road rage, volume warning and lots of bad language.
You threatening me? Are you threatening me? Don't bitch!
Damn, this is gonna make some excellent footage. Thank you.
You're a bitch! And I told it to your face! You're a bitch! So fuck I don't give a fuck!
Someone's having a bad day. Wow. Still going at it.
I think it's just a normal day in Toronto. The guy just wanted to be friends. The boys start a fight because they couldn't share Big Mama.
Közepén, ahol mi, amikor a két gyerek kicsi volt, jó időben mindig kiártunk, bementünk, megvettük a zsemlét, a parizert, az akár most kiütük a parkba megenni a reggelit hétvégén. Tök jó program volt, odáig elsétáltunk, megvettük a cuccot, kiütünk, eldobáltunk, hazamentünk, és egyszer csak bementünk Somával, a Panotár nem is volt ott, kettesben bementünk, összekészítettük a zsemle, a kifli, az akármicsoda, és oda léptünk a pénztárhoz, kipakoltuk a szalagra, és...
This guy has been in a bad mood since the morning. This is what happens when one cannot control their road rage.
Oh, perfect timing. Oh, what? What is happening right now?
This woman got instant karma. We do not support this guy in any way.
Let's go! Get out of the You wanna run the Get out the bitch! Get out! Get out! I didn't touch your fucking car, you dumb bitch! You were on my gun! Come and touch me, cause my man's right fucking there. Come and put your fucking hands on me. I ain't driving crazy. Your bitch was on my goddamn ass! I went to lane! Get out of my face. Bitch! My dad!
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because more to come.